tape now. How's my hair, okay? So back in 1951, it was created here. The last minute improvised dessert. Owen Brennan runs up to his sister and says, Ella, I need you to come up with a special dessert for a party coming in later on tonight. So Miss Ella was kind of put off by her brother always bossing her around, but she thought of an old recipe her mom used to make for breakfast. Or simply melting down brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon. They would dip their French bread in there with coffee and cream in the morning. That was breakfast. So she knows in the kitchen there was plenty of extra banana. So she improvised and added banana liqueur to the brown sugar mixture, sauteed the bananas, and then thinking about Antoine's restaurant around the corner from us, how there's flambéed and baked Alaska, she flambéed it. And knowing very well that her brother hated the idea of ice cream being served in a dining room, just to spite him, she served it over ice cream. And everyone loved it, especially a good friend of theirs. Richard Foster was the crime commissioner of the city, good friend of the family, always came into the restaurant. He loved the banana dessert so much that they named it after him. So that's how Bananas Fosters came to be. All around the world they make Bananas Fosters, but it's not the same if you don't flambe at Tableside. It's supposed to be part of a show. So then Miss Ella, she got tired of working for her brother. She took her money and her knowledge and her name and opened up her own restaurant, Commander's Palace, and then competed with her brother and other restaurant owners in the city. So the count of three, okay? And I'm going to use rum to flambe. Ready? Ready. Count of three. 1, 2, 3. I used to have long hair yesterday.
I know, me too. It's so easy.
Voila. It is really easy. You can get a bottle of banana liqueur. It'll last you forever. Unless you're addicted to banana banshees or